Welcome back, Cannin users, to another technical analysis. I'm Steven, and today we're going to take a look at Isodiol. Traded on a couple different exchanges. They're on the CSE, the OTC, as well as listed in Germany. So check all of those out for various trends. Today we're going to look at the OTC, though. ISOLF is Isodiol. As you know, they play a lot in the CBD space. They're big in beverages. They have coffee. They have nutraceuticals, topicals, a lot of products on their website. Really hemp-driven. One of the biggest hemp players. Really interesting fundamentals. So make sure to pay attention to the fundamentals we published this week. But let's jump over to the pricing chart right now. We're going to see what we see. And so we're looking at ISOLF, again using our Haken-Ashi, making it really easy to see positive and negative trends. And the first thing we're going to do is just zoom out, and we're going to see what is the trend. If we look at 2018, Isodiol was in the double digits, $10, $12. Look what's happened since then. I would definitely say that that's a downward trend. Last month or so, moving pretty horizontal. We're showing the stochastic here. We've talked about the stochastic a number of times. Again, over 80 is a trigger for things being overbought. Below 20, oversold. And so these areas above or below are going to be triggers, either buy or sell. So remember, the trend is the friend. Right now the trend is down. Possibly we'd be looking at selling a trade. So what's the stochastic telling us? A couple of candles ago, we have a possible trigger here from the stochastic. But let's jump over to a different time frame. I'm looking at the 4-hour time chart. I always start with the time chart that I'm most comfortable with. Usually that's 4 hours or 1 day. Again, what's the trend? Same trend, really downward, horizontal the last month. Stochastic shows a opportunity just a couple of periods ago, so we just missed that one. So possible that these two time frames are lining up, but let's go the opposite way. We were looking at the 4-hour before. Let's look at the 1 hour. Look how different it looks. Of course, longer time frames are going to give us more resistance, right? The market's going to take longer to move them. So look at the horizontal movement in the 1 hour. And again, most recently, we see almost reached this over position here from the stochastic. So usually a good strategy is to go to the shorter time period to see an exit or an entry. Looks like we possibly just missed one. But let's keep our eyes on Isodiol. It seems that the trend is our friend, and the trend is definitely downwards. Keep an eye on the stochastic for those situations that we can take advantage of, and use multiple time frames to tell you, one, is my trend the same? That's yes. Two, is my strategy strong? Possibly we have a situation where we could capitalize. It looks like we just missed one, but there'll be another soon. And three, when do I get in and when do I get out? The shorter time frames are excellent to analyze the technical charts for exit and entry points based on trading your normal chart. So again, look at your normal charts, the ones you're most comfortable with first. For me, that's the daily or the 4-hour, and then go above and below that to confirm some of your ideas. Use multiple time frames and keep on learning. Thank you very much.